Hello everyone, this is Zach from Trade VSA. So this short video here, we would like to share with you this counter called JETSON that currently forming a VCP setup. Okay, of course we will look into the sound of strength by looking into the green pentagon and the signals that appeared, okay, based on volume spread analysis. So a very quick one using weekly chart. So overall weekly chart seems like we're having a very nice reversal. So from the left hand side, this is the big upthrust based on weekly charts. So we have a downtrend. Okay, most of the price is trading below trend 40s. A final wash. Okay, this is a high increasing volume. Okay, at the time it's high volume, and then subsequently a change of trend with the volume increase too. So we got three green pentagons. Okay, and of course red pentagon in between, but overall price is holding more on trending 40s. So this is a very strong reversal type of signals. But the only problem is that we have right now, based on weekly and dailies too, we have the immediate resistance, which is the uptrust high volume over here. Okay, so seems like the price is slowly testing that area. So we would like to look into daily charts right now, okay, and combine it with the patterns, okay, by using VCP. So again, from the top to the bottom, this is the biggest wave and it is the first wave. So this is around 42% of pullback, okay, followed by second one, okay, almost 20. So it's like half of the first wave. And then this is the wave that actually they're testing the resistance currently, okay, which is 16 to 70%. So of course the seems like the wave we're getting smaller right now. Of course, we don't have any further confirmation at the moment. But so far we do spot some very interesting bar, which is the spring spot. Okay, the swings are over here holding well on the 2040s. Okay, so looks like it formed a kind of solid VCP at the moment. So let's see how it goes. If let's say there's any changes in terms of the charts, we will definitely update to everyone soon.